Speed, distance, and time only stay honest inside one unit system. Today you will pick meters and seconds or kilometers and hours first, then convert with 5/18 or 18/5. By the end, you will carry the jogging reference. 5 meters per second equals 18 kilometers per hour, and catch the wrong way conversion that lands in the hundreds. Before calculating, separate what stays fixed from what changes. Distance, time, and speed must share one unit system before any divide or multiply. That system is the fixed frame. First move, meters and seconds if any length is in meters, kilometers and hours otherwise. Convert every quantity into that system before you divide. Carry that idea forward. Kilometers per hour to meters per second is times 5/18. The other way is times 18/5. Sanity check by size, 5 meters per second equals 18 kilometers per hour, the jogging pace both ways. The kilometers per hour number comes down to meters per second. Decision rule. A time found in seconds may be wanted in minutes. Divide by 60 only if the question asks. Read the last line of the question before you stop. Convert 2 minutes to 120 s. Speed equals 600 divided by 120 equals 5 meters per second. 600 m in 120 s. 600 divided by 120 equals 5 meters per second. 5 times 18 divided by 5 equals 18 kilometers per hour. 4,500 m at 5 meters per second gives 900 s equals 15 min 600 divided by 120 equals 5 meters per second. 5 times 18 divided by 5 equals 18 kilometers per hour. 4.5 km equals 4,500 m at 5 meters per second gives 900 s. 900 divided by 60 equals 15 minutes. 15 minutes, also 5 meters per second and 18 kilometers per hour. The trap, mixing km with seconds without converting length first. Trap, 5 meters per second and 18 kilometers per hour are the same speed. Carry that pair. 10 meters per second is 36 kilometers per hour. 20 is 72. 25 is 90. Anything that turns 90 kilometers per hour into a number in the hundreds use the up factor the wrong way. A train travels at 90 kilometers per hour. What is its speed in meters per second? The answer is 25 meters per second, 90 times 5/18. We divide kilometers per hour comes down by times 5/18. Times 18 divided by 5 is the wrong direction and lands near 324. You can now pick one unit system, convert with 5/18 or 18/5, and read whether the answer needs converting back. Comment below with one conversion that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe for more SSC CGL Quant lessons in this series. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill speed, distance, and units while this is fresh.